So I wanted to vlog because I'm moving out of this room. So I really needed to get one of the rooms rented out, and you guys know this was my bedroom. This one was the empty room, and so someone wanted to rent my room, so I'm giving them my room, which means I'm moving my stuff. Because like, there's no bed in the other room. There isn't a bed frame, and it's coming on Monday. It is currently Friday, but I figured I could still start organizing and stuff like that, so that way I can get started. And I'm leaving most of my, like, I'm leaving the bed here, I'm leaving the desk here. I'm basically only taking my manga stuff. So, and like the stuff inside my drawers, I already took out the stuff in the closet. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my room before I ruin it sounds weird, but before I take it apart a little bit more. Also, I am not doing a whole room tour video because I feel like this room, at the state it's in, does not deserve its own room tour video. Anyway, so here's how it looks when you come in. This is my desk with my PC and everything. I had drawers here, but I moved those drawers. It's gonna be in the other room. And then here's my bed. It's a queen size bed. It's way too big for me. I don't really need a big bed, so, but yeah, queen size bed. And then my shelves, which I love my shelves, but I obviously did not utilize them very well because I have so much space. So I still have to figure out a better way to organize that. But yeah, here's the moving process so far. I put most of my clothes in here. Like I said, this is a huge room with a huge closet. I have not moved fully all my clothes in yet, but I've moved like the closet in, and I still have to like organize my desk. I have to move the desk, and yeah, I think I can get that all done tonight. I know someone's gonna be like, oh, why are you moving once you like finally got everything situated and like comfortable? And the answer here is I can't keep paying for 2 rooms. Like, I can't. I do need to wipe it down, but the drawers are officially done. Whee! I can't go back to sleep until I figure this out. I know I have a lot of mangas. I did that when it's on this when it looks like this. I don't know. I don't. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a few days later, and we have to figure this out. So it just has to look like a real shelf with things. So I'm gonna do that before I go to work today. Also, all these toys that are on the floor that I need to figure out. But yeah. So I doubled this up because I thought I was gonna put the toys on the shelf, but I figured stacking them up on the floor is actually kind of better. It actually kind of works. So we're gonna do that instead. I'm gonna move this up so that the shelf doesn't break, because now I have more space. So yay, we're almost done though, so that's kind of nice. Because I thought I didn't have enough space, I moved some of the mangas into the closet, but they're gonna go back on the shelf, I think. So here's how it's looking. Cute, right? I have to get ready for work in a second. The goal is that it'll be like from my desk here, you can like see it in the background. I might be able to actually move some of the mangas up and organize it a little better, honestly. But we will see. We will see, because I am not sure what I'm doing with these 2 yet, because now I'm not putting these on. So I got ready for work, and I'm just gonna continue doing things until like 15 minutes before I have to, 15 minutes, for the next 15 minutes before I have to leave. But it's looking good so far, at least on this wall. It is just, this side is not looking that great, but we will get there, we will do it. So I feel like the reason the room looks bad so far is because I don't have the actual mattress yet. Because once the mattress is there, you can't see all the stuff that's underneath my bed. Because I just feel like just be covered. Okay, so I did a whole day of work and we're home, and I'm eating some dinner first before we continue cleaning or organizing. So, yeah.
Girl, no claim to fame and no fan base.
So Natalie claims that Caroline had allegedly bought tens of thousands of followers in the beginning, and
I'm not gonna show myself, but I moved my computer. It's a little dusty, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna wipe everything down. This is how this room looks, which honestly, once I do laundry and like get a mattress, I don't think it'll look that bad. I think honestly, I just have to pick these things up on, I think it's like, I can get that done by tomorrow, to be honest. And like the desk is all nice and done. And like it's really just like picking up stuff and organizing stuff into the right place, to be honest. Because some of these like are just bags of stuff I like brought over from my room. But for the most part, a lot of things are organized and in its place. Just not that. This light and this room's light so much. Like this lighting is so much better. So I understand why people want this room more than they would want this room, because what the fuck? It feels like two different like apartments. Like the actual fuck. I'm probably gonna get a key light for when I like film, because I tried setting up a camera in here to see like how it would look if I filmed, and oh my god, it looks so bad. And then yeah, so this room, obviously since I'm still kind of sleeping in here until I get to bed, I have this little setup right now so I can get ready in the morning, and the bed is still on its own. So yeah, and those are the clothes that aren't really dirty yet, but they're not clean yet to put like away. If you know, you know. Like I bleach cleaned this, but it did not fully come off the dirt, so we're gonna do that again tomorrow. But for now, I will call this progress. Took me a bit, but I got this up here, and I have a huge headache. I can't breathe. So I got this up all by myself, and my back hurts and my head hurts more, and I woke up with a headache. But now all we have to do is move this stuff off the bed and roll it on. I think this part's the easier part, I hope, because I live on a 4th floor walk up. So this is how the bed looks currently. I'm gonna obviously move my stuff over here, but look at it, look, I did it. It's ugly, honestly. The mattress itself looks ugly, but it gets the job done. Okay, we're just get it, as long as it's done, it's okay. So I'm gonna show you guys the progress, because a lot of progress has been made, but it's not finished yet. I would say that, but I think in like the next few days, it definitely will. So my closet right now needs the most work. It's just like me throwing things in here so that it doesn't look bad. My room doesn't look bad. But once you close the closet, it looks a little better, like a little bit. I have my little bags here. And then I did, it's like this wall is pretty much done and it's cute and fun. That's garbage, ignore that. This, ignore that too. It still needs to figure out. But I have my bed now. It's beautiful. It's great. I literally have clutter everywhere, and that's kind of the problem right now. So I know for a fact if I do like one more day of cleaning, it will look better. So yeah, I'm probably gonna try to do that today. I don't know if I'll finish it today, but I'll try to finish it by Sunday. That's my goal. We'll see. As you can see, I'm almost done organizing my room, but the only thing that is, it's the cord. Do you see that? We have a shit ton of cords. That is the only thing I have to do, and then throw that garbage out, and I'm pretty sure after I vacuum, we are all done. It's over. It's great. I might also organize down here a little bit, but basically it's done. You can still see the stuff here, but that's okay. We're gonna ignore that. Like, I don't mind that. It's the cords. So I cleaned up the room. Everything's in its place, at least for now. I might change stuff up because it's like obviously still, I'm getting settled, so like some things may not make sense certain places until like I get used to it. But I will show you guys the room. I'm excited. I have so much space in this room. Not that I didn't have space in the other room, but this one is, this is the large room, and you can tell this is the master bedroom. You can feel it. Look, I can do this. I could probably do that in another room too, but still. Oh. No, I'm dizzy. Okay, first we're gonna start at the door. This is the entrance to the room, obviously. I have some Target bags here because the thing about me is I'm always gonna have bags that I gravitate, like, quick. I could grab it quick. So that's my gym bag, and I have like some other stuff in there too, but yeah. Here's my toys and stuff. I put all of the ones in boxes right here, and then over here are my mangas and my toys and stuff, and I think they're really cute. And look at that, it's so cute. Look at how I organized it. It's a little messy, yes, but that's okay. I end up with some extra space because I thought it wouldn't be enough space, but that's okay. It gives me reason to buy more books. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, And then here's my closet. I have another bag on here because, like I said, I'm a girl that puts bags on handles. And I also have like my lanyards for cons. And then I have my cute bags here. I have my Mickey bag, my Coach bag, my Ochamacha Baby bag, and my present bag. And then in my closet, this is the big closet. It's the big boy closet. It's a mess. This is a mess. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a complete mess. And like these two, like right here, down here, it's like dirty clothes. I need to do laundry. So yeah, some of these clothes have been in here for months. So I do need to do laundry. I might end up throwing away some clothes after this round of laundry, but yeah, kind of a mess. That's like alright. It doesn't seem dirty if it's in the closet, so if I just push it in. I have some space. I might put a mirror right here. That would be cute because I currently just don't have a mirror. It'd be really nice. And I moved this bar cart into the room and I love it. So I have the Victrola, I think that's what it's called, right? Victrola. Record player. I really want an Auto Technica, but it works and I love it, and I've had this for a few years and I have never had any problems with it, so it's great. I know people talk like shit about this one and the other. There's like two brands that people talk shit about because it's really cheap, but it's a good starter one and it gets the job done. So yes, I have all my candles here, which I can't find my lighter right now. Probably it's in the closet. I probably threw it in there when I was trying to clean, so ignore that. But I might will I buy another lighter? Maybe, who knows. But here are the candles I have. My friend from work made this, and I got this from my old job, and these two are from Bath & Body Works, if you guys are wondering. And underneath, I just have some shelf stable food and stuff, and my vinyls. And this is my boyfriend's sweatpants. These are my boyfriend's sweatpants. Why do I feel so embarrassing that these are my boyfriend's sweatpants? Because when he sleeps over, he has sweatpants. Okay. This is the new full-size bed, which I'm very, very, very excited about, actually. It feels really good. I actually like having a full-size bed. I thought that going from a queen to a full-size is going to be sad. But I realized, as someone who sleeps alone most nights, I don't use most of it. I've honestly probably used... Oh! Ignore that. I only use, like, maybe, like, this much of the bed normally. So, I put my stuffed animals on this side, and yeah, these are my little buddies. And this blanket I've had for a long time from Walmart. I love it. I have my laptop right there, and on this side I put all the stuff that I had previously on my shelf. Ooh, I almost fell. I just finished doing this today and I really like it. So here I have my hair dye stuff, just like random stuff. It's just random stuff. Don't ignore the fact that my deodorant looks so crusty and that it has no cap. Okay, ignore it. Ew, don't say anything. If you say anything, I will block you. So I'm gonna try to read these. I read this every single year and it's feeling like summer now, so I'm probably gonna start reading it. And this book I bought like a year ago, and I really want to read it, so I might do it. So I've been keeping it near my bed, so then I do. Let's see. And then I made this my little food shelf. I don't know if I'm going to keep it this way, but I just ordered some food from DoorDash. Yeah, so DoorDash has like this Dash Mart, which is like a supermarket that you can like, it's like Instacart. And so I put some of my cheeses in here. Like I love string cheese. And I have some Red Bull. These ones are, it's my first time getting these, but these are the Sea Blue edition. Tastes really good. They're June berries. I think this used to be the summer edition for 1 year, but I'm not sure. I'm thinking about maybe getting like a bigger mini fridge for my room because I am like a snack girl. I'm a snack and drink girly, so I feel like if I had like a freezer, it would be really nice. Also the fridge that we have, the one that's shared with everyone, very small, so it's fine. I have my party bag of Doritos, my snacks. Here I have some of my nail stuff and my hair dye stuff, and then more hair dye stuff. Some storage, obviously these are storage. If you guys wonder where these are from, they're from Muji, and I love them. They used to be in my closet, and then they were under my desk, and now I'm using them like this, and I actually think these are genius, and I might get another one. I don't know. I love these so much. Then here's my desk area, which honestly, here's the thing. I'm not sure how I'm gonna film videos yet. because the lighting in here kind of sucks. So I have to figure that out. But here's my computer. So I have a gaming computer, a Samsung monitor. It's really fun, but I mean, I have that at all my desk setups, the last few. And then my cameras and my iPad and stuff. You see out the window, which is a view of nothing. It's not very exciting, it's just New York. And I have a bucket there because whenever you turn the air conditioner on, you have to have the bucket on or bucket there because it leaks. I also have my projector, which I will show you guys. It looks crazy right now because it's all, I'm not using it like this. Hold on. It's really hard to put on here. I didn't like this. I just don't have the HDMI cord set up yet, so it's pretty much just a charger right now. And if you guys wonder which projector I have, it's just the Philips Nano Prime. I will show you guys the night version of this because I feel like because I have LED lights and stuff, it actually looks different at night. And also, if you guys were wondering like, oh, why did I set up the projector and the switch thing? That was in here from when this was my room with John. And I just could not get that off the wall. It's mounted so hard. So it's actually kind of nice to use it again. So yeah, even the projector is mounted to the wall because John mounted it to the wall a few years ago, like 3 years ago when we moved in here. So yeah, and it's nice because now I don't have a queen bed. When there's a queen bed, the whole room was taken up by the queen bed, but the full bed is so much nicer and I love it. That's what was down here, but I have drawers and extras. It's the stuff. I store more stuff in here, which I guess I'll show you right now. These lights, John put them up 2-3 years ago, so they've been on there for a while, so I didn't have to add anything. And that's why right now the walls are plain because I'm not sure if I'm gonna stay in this room. I kind of like this. I kind of want to stay here so I don't have to keep moving, but we will see. I don't know what the roommate situation is gonna be, which I will, once things happen, I'll tell you, I guess. But this is how the lights look at night at 100%, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like at 1%. They have very different vibes. Like if I'm trying to go to sleep, 1%, or like if I want to chill at night, 1%, but 100% is a vibe. When you have this on, it has a really annoying sound, and I definitely want to upgrade my projector one day, but this is the one we have. This is the one we bought like 2 years ago that I barely use, so I'm not gonna buy a new one. I don't have the perfect setting for my projector yet, so I don't know where to put it. I don't know if I want it a little lower or a little higher, but right now I'm just gonna keep it a little higher. I don't know, actually maybe I should put it a little lower. This is the straightest I can get at this level, but that's okay because I'm not straight either. We're good. So I closed my laptop so it's like more moody. It's really cute. I love it. You're like, how do you actually watch movies and stuff on? Do you use the actual iOS? I don't. I always use the Fire Stick. So yeah, I just use the Fire Stick. And me and my ex still share this account, so thank you, John. I paid for this one, so and everything on here, everything you'll ever need. On Netflix, I know Anyone But You is on. But You is on Netflix right now, and I really, really want to watch it, so we're gonna watch it tonight. It's that new movie with Sydney Sweeney, and I love her so much, so. Sorry. Guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!